How to buy Yesim eSIM plan and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can buy a eSIM plan and save money. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So here you can see I'm over here onto the website eSIM, and here you can buy an eSIM and their plan, and you can save money as well. So here, first things first, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and sign up, and you can sign up easily by clicking the link in the description below. It'll also give you some discounts and promo codes as well. So if you want to go ahead and check it out and sign up, the link will be in the description below. So having said that, let's move on. So here at the top, we have eSIM. We're going to select that. And here down below, we have popular destinations and regions and cities, right? So let's say you want to eSIM the US. So you simply click on United States. You can see the fare as well. And here is the unlimited data plans. For one day, it's going to be $8 and it's unlimited, so you won't have to worry about it. If you want it for a whole 30 days, it's going to be $57.60, and which is equivalent to almost $2 a day. So keep that in mind. These are the prepaid plan. All right, so you can select whichever one you want and you should be good to go. So let's go with this one, right? Let's say if we want this one, we select that. It's going to be the number of eSIMs. We only want one. We're going to click on next, click on checkout, and here we basically log in easily with our Google account or email address, and we can activate it later. And basically down below we have the payment plan where we want to pay with card or PayPal, Apple Pay, whatever. And then here is the promo code. You just simply click on it and add the promo code, which you can find in the description below, and then boom, you're good to go. So there you go. This is how you do it. This is how you buy a eSIM plan and save money. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.